Welcome back. Let's continue to run through RMF Step 0. Here's a list of all the remaining Step 0 tasks. Publishing organizationally tailored control baseline, Task P4. Identifying common controls, that's Task P5. Prioritizing systems with the same impact level, Task P6. Defining a continuous monitoring strategy, Task P7. And system level preparation task. And those are task P8 to P18. I'm sure you've noticed each of these RMF tasks have assigned numbers. These are just identifiers used in the NIST 837 document. You don't need to memorize them. I intend on breaking down each of these tasks to you, but I'm not going to do that in this video. I decided it's best to describe them after you've had a good understanding of some of the other RMF steps. Why? Well, imagine me teaching you how to prepare for a baseball game before you knew anything about baseball. That's the same case here. These preparation tasks prepare you for specific RMF steps. If you know one thing about me, you know I cater to beginners, and I don't want them to get lost as I mention different concepts and terminology as I describe these preparation tasks. Here's a summary of how these preparation tasks prep you for other RMF steps. The task to publish your control baseline and the task to identify common control. These tasks help you to prepare for RMF Step 2. This is where you select security controls. I will give you a breakdown of this preparation task after we go over RMF Step 2. Then it'll all make sense, I promise. The other task, Task P6, prioritizing systems with the same impact level. This task can only be completed after RMF Step 1 is completed. If you recall, RMF Step 1 is security categorization. I will break this down after we go over RMF Step 1. Now the other task, Task P7, is about defining your continuous monitoring strategy. This preparation task helps you to prepare for RMF Step 6, continuous monitoring. Therefore, it makes sense to me that we discuss it after you understand what RMF Step 6 is all about. Hope that makes sense. And the last set of tasks are the system level preparation task. Now, this group of tasks focus on gathering details about the system itself. The other tasks that I've been mentioning, those are more focused on details at the organizational level. The system level tasks will help you prepare for RMF Step 1. In case you forgot, RMF Step 1 is about categorizing your system. It is best to go over them after you've had an intimate understanding of that step. Alright, quick message to my experts. I know I'm rerouting you a little bit here, but I have to look out for my beginners. If you want to get the full scope of Step 0 in one go, I suggest you skip to videos that are titled RMF Step 0. See you in the next one.